Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hardcode subtitles using VLC Media Player. First, open VLC Media Player on your device and click on the media on the top left. Go to Stream, or you can just press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to open Stream. Just click on Add and choose the video file that you want to add the subtitles to. Make sure to toggle on the subtitle file and click on Browse and just choose your subtitle file. Click on Stream, click on Next, and click on Add. Then just click on Browse. And select where you want the new videos to stay and just rename it and make sure to add MP4 at last. Click on Save and click on Next. From here in the drop-down, make sure to select MP4, and in the wrench icon, just go to Subtitles and toggle on Subtitles and Overlay. Go to Video and make sure to toggle off Keep Original Video Track and click on Save. Click on Next and click on Stream. Wait for VLC to finish the process, and the video will be exported with subtitles permanently encoded, and that's it. We just learned how to hardcode subtitles in VLC Media Player by using the Convert or Save feature and selecting a subtitle file before converting the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.